Yo, what's up everyone? Andito na naman tayo ngayon sa bagong episode ng ating vlog at today pupunta pala tayo sa K-Days. Inisponsoran pala tayo ng ticket ng ating kaibigan na si Kuya Benj at Ate Princess. Thank you sa inyo, Ate and Kuya. Samahan nyo kami sa adventure na to. Stay tuned because you're watching Del Venture. Alright, nasa loob na po kami ng K-Days. Bumili na pala kami ng ng ticket para sa mga rides. Tara, subukan natin mag-ride. Pero parang gusto ko lang kumain. Guys, try natin yung basketball.
Yeah, just 2 shots back to back.
Okay. One. Yeah, made it! Yeah!
Hey! That side and that side.
Oh, which one man? So guys, meron na tayong first win. Si Kate naman ang next daw. Tatry niya makuha kung makukuha niya. So ang gagawin niya, babarilin niya daw yung star. Kapag meron pang konti, hindi daw siya win. Wala na, ubos na. Ubos na agad. Ano masasabi mo?
Hindi maganda yung barel.
No, where that's gonna be. Watch and see. Looking like under.
We lost our $10, guys. Siguro magra-rides na tayo, no? Or kakain. Gugutom na ako.
Ganda natin.
So ngayon papasok pala kami sa loob. Meron pa pala tong parang indoor. Ito pala yung lumang bus dito sa Edmonton. Pasahero guys. Pasahero. Tayo sa kabila. Guys, try natin masok dito. Where am I? Oh no! What happened to you, brother? Dito kami ngayon, nakakulong kami ni brother. Putay mo si brother. Nakak-picture ka dyan, ah. Tapos na po kami magpainit sa loob, so nandito na ako kami sa labas. Tamang kape sila Bok, oh. Nagka-camping pala sila Bok dun. Ito pala yung tangke na ginamit nila nung unang panahon. Ito yung mortar. Oh shit! It's heavy.
45 pounds. Not too bad. The heaviest ones we have are 105 pounds. So this, in reality, would be attached to the back,
Just like,
there, and that's your entire bullet. That's the actual bomb.
uh-huh.
Projectile, that's gonna go explode. You have all your gunpowder in here.
Oh.
Put it together, load it up. If the firing pin strikes the primer, there's pressure in here, push the projectile out, this gets dropped out again.
Yeah, good to know, yeah. This is unusual. Mayday, mayday. We're going in. Come on. Guys, try natin umawak ng baril.
Let's use the C7A2 rifle.
Uh-huh.
Let's shoot this one. We have a handle on the back. We're gonna pull it straight to the rear, all the way, straight to the back, and then you're just gonna let it go. Like that. At which point it's ready to fire.
Gutom na ang ating team. Kain muna tayo dito. First meal of the day. Tacos. Let's go. May itatry daw si Kate. Itong game na to, yung wire game.
20 gets you 5, 10 gets you 2.
Sayang. Hindi nakuha. Sakit sa buto. Next stop tayo, next stop. Let's go. Dito kami sa cliffhanger. May hilo-hilo lang kami dito. So guys, horror na to guys, horror na.
Bag. Ay, ganyan pala.
Mahal ka tingin ka lang dito sa Osmo.
Ha? Walang tao, babe.
Guys, di kami natakot. Yun na yun. Kung kasama ko, paano matatakot? Nakapikit. Ang nakakatakot, may tae dun, walang tao. This is gonna be our last ride for tonight.
Yan na yun.
Nakita natin ang buong K-Days. Look!
Ganda.
Dito nagtatapos ang ating K-Days night. Thank you so much sa lahat ng nanood. See you again sa next vlog. Thank you for watching Del Vencha.